Hello everyone, this video I'm going to show you how to add animate to design in Canva. So if you have a working design, you're working on a project, you're working on in Canva, this is how you can add animations to your design in Canva. So just click on the particular design, click on it. Once you click on it, then you click on animate right here. Once you click on animate, then you have the basic, you have some basic animation. You also have exaggerated animation, then you add motion. You can add motions to design to make it more attractive and more facilitating. You can see this, you can use this particularly, you can also use this fade, you can use this blur, you can use this. So let's use this blur, then you can add or remove animation, and that's how to add animation to your design in Canva. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more.